Hello friends, you have 4 notes today. Please get out your notebook and write these down so that you can use them to reference. So when you go to do the lesson, I literally matched up the notes with the problems that go with them. So just the basic idea, which is review from middle school, is just finding a missing side. They have to tell you that these two triangles are similar, and then really you're just going to pick any pair of corresponding sides. There's technically 12 different ways to get this answer correct. So just pick a pair. 18 and 14 are a pair of corresponding sides. Put them in a fraction. And I'll prove to you that it doesn't matter which way you put them. Okay, and then the missing side is going to go into your proportion. So if the 18 was on the top of the fraction, you need to put the x on the top of the fraction. And if the 14 was on the bottom of the fraction, the 28 has to go on the bottom of the fraction. Okay, so if somebody else does 14 over 18, as long as they do 28 over x, you should both still get the same answer. So you do 18 times 28 divided by the 14. 18 times 28 divided by 14. You get 36. Trust me, the same thing will happen when you do that. I'll just show you one more way. You can pick 21 and 27, and maybe you put the 21 and the 28 together. Watch this. So you do the right side over the bottom equals the right side over the bottom. That'll work too, as long as you're consistent. If you don't believe me, 28 times 27 divided by 21. You get 36, okay? So you can set them up however you want, as long as you keep them consistent. Right over bottom, left over left, bottom over bottom. Hope that makes sense. All right, now how do I do number 5? It's the same exact thing, except there's an x plus 9 there. So here's the little triangle, and then here's the big triangle. So they're saying the purple triangle is similar to the blue triangle, solve for x, okay? So again, there's a million ways to set this up. I'm just going to show you one. So let's say we take, we can do this. I think it'll work right now if you set it up like this. Let's try it. X over 20 equals x plus 9 over 30. And then you have to do 30 times x. You have to do 20 times x plus 9. And you're going to have to distribute. It's just 20x plus 180. The like terms are on different sides of the equal, so you have to subtract them. You can't add them when they're on different sides. That leaves you with 10x equals 180, and x is 18. That means this is 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and this is 27. And that should work. How do I do number 6? This time it asks you to find the perimeter of the larger triangle. So it tells you that these two are similar, and they want the perimeter of this. Perimeter means all 3 sides added together, so you're going to use these sides to find these sides. So let's look at the only one we know. If you put 18, that will correspond with 3. You can put those into a fraction. Again, 3 over 18, 8 over 3, doesn't matter. And then you're going to use your 5, and that will find us the length of this side. If the 3 was there, the 5 needs to go there. So So do 18 times 5 divided by 3. 18 times 5 divided by 3. This is 30. Switch colors, now you do it again. You can use 3 over 18 again to find the other side. So the 18 and the 3, and we need to find this side, so we're going to use the 4. 3 was on the top, so the 4 needs to go on the top. 18 times 4 divided by 3. 18 times 4 divided by 3. 24. And now you can find the perimeter, because perimeter means add up all 3 sides. So you add up 24 plus 30 plus the 18, and that's your answer. The perimeter of the large one was 72. The perimeter of this is 5 plus 4 plus 3, which is 12. Okay? And then the last one, how do I do number 7? Because it wants us to find the area. And in order to find the area of a triangle, you need the base, and you don't have this base. So first of all, you need that formula. Area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So you're going to use your 9 and your 10 to find this. So let's do the left side over the left side equals the bottom over the bottom. 27 times 10 divided by 9. 27 times 10 divided by 9. Okay, 30 is not your answer. 30 is not your area. 30 is just this. So now you're going to plug your base and your height in. The base of this triangle is the 30 that we just found. The height of this triangle was the 27. And you have to take half of that. Half times 30 times 27 is 405. And that is your answer. All right, go do your work.